Welcome to NSAT 2024, dear students. To ensure a smooth NSAT 2024 exam experience, please log into NDigital 10 minutes before the exam's start time. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and uninterrupted power supply.
To log in, visit ndigital.nspira.in.
Enter your admission number and the password that was sent to your registered mobile number via SMS during the registration process. After entering your admission number and password, click on the Login button. You will be directed to the NDigital home page. On the home page, you will find the scheduled test card displaying NSAT score test details. On the left-hand side, a menu with home and test options are available. To begin the test within the specified timings on the test card, click on the Take Test button within the scheduled test card on the home page. Alternatively, you can access the test section by clicking on Tests in the left-hand menu and then selecting Take Test within the NSAT score exam card. Upon clicking Take Test, you will be taken to the test instructions page. Here, you will find NSAT score test details, question patterns, the number of questions, and basic instructions. Please review these instructions carefully. After reading the instructions and terms and conditions, check the I agree to terms and conditions box and click Proceed. Once you proceed, you will be redirected to the exam engine. Please wait a moment while your question paper is downloaded. Do not click Cancel Download during this process. Once the download is complete, your exam will begin. At the top of the page, you'll see the exam name, and underneath there are sections specified. You can navigate directly to these sections by clicking on the corresponding section tabs. On the top right, there's an Instructions button. Clicking on it will display the instructions you previously saw. Next to the Instructions button is the Question Paper button. Clicking on it will provide an overview of all the questions for this test. You can also use the section tabs for easier navigation. Adjacent to the Question Paper button, you will find the time remaining countdown. When it reaches 0 minutes, your paper will be submitted automatically. Each page displays one question along with 4 answer options. After selecting your answer, click Save and Next to save your response. Please note that if you click Next without choosing Save and Next, your answer won't be saved. So remember to select Save and Next. To review a question later, click Save and Mark for Review. To unselect an option, click Clear Response. This will remove your answer for that question. On the right side of your screen, the question status provides an overview of all questions. White indicates an unvisited question. Red shows a visited but unanswered question. Green indicates a visited and answered question. Violet denotes a question marked for review. And violet with a green tick means a question attempted and marked for review. Questions marked for review with a green tick will still be considered as attempted upon exam submission. You can directly jump to a question by clicking its number on the right side of the screen. After completing the exam, click Submit to conclude. Upon clicking Submit, a pop-up displays the exam summary. review it. To submit the exam, click Yes, or to continue the exam, click No. Once you choose Yes, your responses will be recorded and the exam will be submitted.